Ready to ditch boring drinkware and create jaw-dropping custom tumblers with the power of AI. First, fire up Midjourney and let's talk prompts. Think seamless and repeatable. Start with phrases like seamless pattern or tileable design to ensure your art wraps perfectly. Get specific. Add style keywords like watercolor for a delicate feel, geometric for modern vibes, floral for elegance, or abstract for bold statements. Describe the main elements. Try seamless pattern of tropical leaves and hibiscus flowers, watercolor style. Now, nail your aspect ratio. Use the AR parameter followed by the width and height ratio you need for your tumbler wrap. A typical ratio for a 20 ounces tumbler is 94, so you'd use AR 90 for this. Ensures your design fits perfectly. Don't forget the repeat parameter. Use repeat if Midjourney has the option to create the seamless patterns natively, or you can add it to the prompts. This will make sure the generated image is truly tileable. Experiment, iterate, and refine. Generate multiple variations until you find a design you love. Don't be afraid to adjust your prompts and try different styles. Download your chosen image and bring it into your favorite graphic editor. Resize it to match your tumbler's dimensions. Make minor adjustments if needed. Print your design on sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Remember to mirror the image before printing. Wrap the sublimation paper tightly around your tumbler and secure it with heat-resistant tape. Then, use a tumbler heat press to sublimate the design onto your tumbler according to your equipment's instructions. And there you have it, a Onio Faken tumbler designed with the magic of AI. Now go create something amazing. Be sure to like and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks.